Good morning, student. Now from today we will see uh, some questions of chapter determinant. In the previous class we are seeing the question of this chapter. Now today we will take some other questions and solve it. So let's see, our first question is if A is equal to the matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1. If our matrix A is this, then find adjoint of A. Verify that A adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A, which is equal to determinant of A I3, where I3 is the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay, so student, we have to find out what adjoint of A from the given matrix. Okay, so first and this is equal to determinant of A, so we are going to find first what is determinant of A. So the determinant of A is cos alpha, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, cos alpha minus 0 minus sin alpha, under bracket this cancel, so sin alpha is 0 minus 0 and plus third term is 0. So after solving this we will get what? Cos square alpha and minus plus sin square alpha, which is equal to what? So our determinant of A is what? 1 from here. Okay, now student, we have to find out cos adjoint of A. So you know that for adjoint of A, find out adjoint of A, we always what find first? We always find our cofactors. Okay, so now we will start finding our cofactors. So cofactor A11 is cofactor A11 is, this is cancelled, this is cancelled, so it will be cos alpha. A12 is with negative sign, this cancel, sin alpha. A13 is this cancel, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, minus plus, so it will be 1. Okay, so it will be what? This cancel and this cancel, so it will be 0. Now A21 is what? With negative sign, this cancel and this cancel, and this cancel, so minus sin alpha minus 0, so it will be plus sin alpha. A22 is plus, so it will be cos alpha, and A23 is this cancel and this term cancel, so this is again 0. So A31 is 0, A32 is this 0, 0, A33 is 1. So our A31 is 0, A32 is 0, C3 is 1, A23 is 0, A22 is cos alpha, A21 is sin alpha, A13 is 0, A12 is minus sin alpha, and A11 is cos alpha. So student, our adjoint of A will be what? Cos alpha, and this is minus sin alpha, this is 0, this is sin alpha, and this is cos alpha, this is 0, 0, 0 and 1, and its transpose. So its transpose will be what? Its transpose will be cos alpha. We will change the row into column, so it will be minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha, cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is adjoint of A. Now student, our adjoint of A is this. Now we will find the multiplication of A into adjoint of A. So we will take left hand side, A into adjoint of A. Okay, so A is cos alpha, sin alpha 0, sin alpha, cos alpha 0, 0, 0 and 1, and our adjoint of A is cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. So cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay student, I hope you understand. Now we will multiply these two and get. So we will multiply first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay, so this is cos square alpha and plus sin square alpha and 0, 0. Next, cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and this is 0. So it will be 0. Now this term is 0, 0 and 0. So third term is, now multiply this, sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and this is 0. And next, sin square alpha cos square alpha is 0. And third, 0, 0 and 0. And next, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0. So 0, 0 and finally 1. So after solving we get what? 1. This term will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is our so we can write the 1 into this. Now our 1 is determinant of A and this is I of 3. So this is, we have proved that this part is equal to this part. Okay, I hope you understand student. Now we will find our second part, which is adjoint of A into multiplied by A. We have first what find out, we have determinant of A find out, which is what 1, and after that for find out adjoint of A, we have find out all the cofactors A11, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, which is equal to 1. Now adjoint of A is what? Cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to this student. Okay, I hope you understand student. And this is our adjoint of A, which we have change this row into the column, we get our adjoint of it this. Now we have taken the left hand side, A into adjoint of it. So this is our A and this is our adjoint of it. We have multiplied of these two matrices, which is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, and we are seeing that this will be cancelled and this term will be 1 and 1. This is 1. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and here we can write 1 into this because our 1 is what determinant of A and this is our identity matrix of order 3. So we can write determinant of A I 3. Now student, we will find the second part this. Okay, so let's see, our second part is adjoint of A into A. Okay, so we are going to second part, which is, so adjoint of A is this cos alpha sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1, and A is cos alpha minus sin alpha and 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1. Now we multiply this, so we get this is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha and the third term is 0. Again minus sin alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha and third term is 0. So 0 0 and 0. Now multiply this, minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha and 0. Now multiply this, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha and third term is 0. Again 0 0 and 0. So this term will be 0 again, 0 and 0, 0 0 and 0, and this is 1. Okay, now we will write what this is 1. This term will be cancelled, so here will be 0 and 0. Now this is again cancelled, 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so this is what, student, we can write 1 into 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is, we can write adjoint of A, determinant of A into I 3. So what we are seeing, student, from here, that our left hand side is also equal to determinant of A I 3, and our right hand side, this is adjoint of A into A. This we have also proved that this is equal to determinant of A I 3. After multiplication of adjoint of A into A, we get again 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which can be written as 1 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is our I3. So I hope you understand these questions, and you will solve such type of questions also, okay, by itself. So now we will see our next question. So let's see, our next question is, Our next question is 10 students were awarded 10 students are selected from a school on the basis of values of giving awards and were divided into 3 groups. There are 3 groups and 10 students of a schools are awarded. Okay, 10 students are there and they are awarded and were divided in 4 groups. The first group is for hard work, and second group is honesty and law abiding student, and third group is for vigilant and obedient. Vigilant and obedient. The question says that double the number of students of the first group. Question says that double the number of students of first group added to the number of second group gives 13, while the combined strength of first and second group is 4 times that of the third group. Using matrix method, find the number of students in each group. So we have to find the number of students in each group. So we will let the number of student in first group is X and in second group is Y and third group is Z. Okay, in first group the number of students is X, and in second group number of students is Y, and third group number of students is Z. Okay, so according to question, the first condition is X plus Y plus Z, which is equal to 10, and second condition says that the second group has honest the double the number of students of the first group and added to the number of second group gives 30, while the combined strength of first and second group is 4 times that of the third group. While 4 times the third group. Okay, so it will be X plus Y minus 4Z is equal to 0. So first, second and third. So there are 3 equations. Now we will solve these 3 equations by using matrix method. Okay, and solve it. So now we will write these equations can be written as X is equal to A, Ax is equal to B in the form. So A is 1 1 1 2 1 0 1 1 minus 4. X is x y z and B is 10 13 and 0. A is this, B is this, and X is this. Okay. Now student, we will find, now this can be written as what? This X is equal to X, Y, Z, and this X is equal to A inverse B. Now our target is find out to A inverse. If we are able to find out A inverse, we will put the value of A inverse in this equation, and after multiplication with B comparing with X, we will get our X, Y, Z. Okay. So first we will find out what? A determinant of A. So determinant of A is what? It will be 1 minus 4 0 minus 1. This is cancelled, minus 8 minus 0 plus 1 2 minus 1. So our determinant is minus 4 plus 8 and plus 1. 9 minus 4 5. So this is not equal to 0. So from here we are getting our determinant is not equal to 0. So we can say that A inverse is exist. So if our A inverse is exist, so find out A inverse. You know that we will find out our adjoint of A. So for find out adjoint of A, we will find out the cofactors. So let us start finding cofactors. A11, which is, this will be removed, so minus 4 and 0, so it will be minus 4. Now A12 is with negative sign, cancel, minus 8 minus 0, so it will be 8. And A13 is, this is cancelled, so 2 minus 1, this is 1. Now A21 is minus, A21 is, this cancel, minus 4 minus 1. A21, this cancel, so minus 4 minus 1, minus 5 plus, minus 5 minus plus 5. A22 is this cancel, minus 4 minus 1, minus 5. A23 is this cancel, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So A21 is 21 is 5, A22 is minus 5 and A23 is 0. Now our A31 is this cancel, so 0 minus 1. So minus 1, that is minus 1. A32 is with minus sign, 0 minus 2, which is 2. And A33 is 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1. A32 is 2. It's minus 1. Okay. So our adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is what? The transpose of these cofactors. This is minus 4, 8, 1, 5, minus 5 and 0, minus 1, 2 and minus 1. Okay, now we will change this rows into the column. We write minus 4, 8, 1, 5, minus 5, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1. This is our adjoint. So A inverse will be what? Adjoint of A by determinant of A. Determinant is 5, so 1 by 5, and adjoint of A is minus 4, 5, minus 1, 8, minus 5, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. So A inverse is minus 4, 5, minus 1, 8, minus 5, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, and outside 5. Okay. Now student, we have find out our A inverse. Now we will put the value of A inverse in this equation. So X is equal to A inverse B. Okay. Now value of X is X, Y, Z. And 1 by 5, A inverse is minus 4, 5, minus 1, 8, minus 5, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. And B is 10, 13 and 0. Now we will multiply this and get minus 40 plus 65, 0, 80, 65 and 2, 0, 10 plus 0 plus 0. 5 and 2, 5 and 1. This is 10. Now we will find our X will be what? 5, 3 and 2. Now dividing by this we get 5, 3 and 2. So our X, Y, Z is this. So X is 5, Y is 3 and Z is 2. So the number of students in first group is 5, number of students in second group is 3, number of students in third group is 2. So it will be our answer. So again I am going to explain, students. Let's see once again. The question says that the 10 students are awarded. Okay, and they are taken from the 3 groups. First group is for hard work, second group is for honesty and law-abiding student, and third group is for vigilant and obedient. So we have taken the number of students in first group is X, second group is Y, and third group is Z. So our first condition will be what? Total number of students is 10. This is we have to give it first. Second condition is this, and third condition is this. Okay. So from here, from these 3 equations, these can be written as in the form of X is equal to B, because we have to use matrix method to solve this question. Okay. So we will write A is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0 and 1, 1 minus 4, and X is X, Y, Z, and B is our right hand side. Now we will find out, now for find out A inverse, we have to find out first what? Adjoint of A. So for adjoint of A, we will first check. Okay, for find out A inverse, we will check first determinant of A is not equal to 0. So we are saying that our determinant is 5, which is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Now we can find out our adjoint of A, and find out for adjoint of A, you know that we will find out our cofactors. A11 is minus 4, A12 is 8, 13 is 1, A21 is 5, A22 is minus 5, A23 is 0, A31 is minus 1, A32 is 2, A33 is minus 1. Now adjoint of A is what? The transpose of these cofactors. We have written the cofactors here, and now taking the transpose. So we are changing the row into column. So minus 4, 8, 1, 5, minus 5, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1. Okay. Now our A inverse is what? Adjoint of A upon determinant of A, and our determinant of A is 5. So we can write 1 by 5 under bracket on the matrix 4 minus 4 5 minus 1 8 minus 5 2 1 0 minus 1. Now student, we have to find out value of x, y, z. Now we'll put the value of A inverse in this equation. So our x is this, and our A inverse is this, and our B is this. Now we'll multiply this with this and get what? Minus 40 plus 65 is minus 0, 80 minus 65 plus 0, 10 plus 0 plus 0. So 1 by 5 is 25, 15, 10. Now dividing this, we get x, y, z is x is 5, y is 3, z is 2. It means that our number of students in first group is what? 5, which are awarded, and number of students in second group is 3, which are awarded, and number of students in third group is 2, which are awarded. I hope you understand, students. Now we will see some questions in the next class. Thank you.